2, 1. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the Danish Shan in the house tonight. So today we're in the big Subway. So I tried to, Luis is having a good day here, so I'm with Luis. So, and hello. And Marius getting some food right here. Got the same one as last time. So this is all wheat again with some bacon and ranch. Oh yeah, so Luis got a blue Doritos. Sit right here, my boy. Very nice of it. Let me get my drink, okay? He's thirsty. And there's Marvin right here.
Yeah. What's up, guys?
Yep. Here, boy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm here, right here.
What's up?
We're in the big Subway right here, and Ricky's right here.
Yeah.
Got myself a slab, right? Yeah. It looks like a burrito. Yeah. I'm gonna go for mine. Yeah. Oh yeah, she got it. That's why. There you go. I will eat it.
What you got?
It's the same one.
Same one?
Number 20. I got number 1. Good. Yeah, it's good. So we came here just to eat. Yeah, we're the only customer right here in this big Subway.
Yep. Yeah, you guys got yourself the bottom, so I got the one. You got diabetes?
Yep.
We got Mountain Dew. We got Pepsi Zero, right? What is it called? Oh, Pepsi Zero. I got that.
Good.
Yep.
Oh yeah, say you have a meeting tomorrow?
No,
Or you said next Wednesday, right?
next Wednesday. No, I'm not. What meeting? For a counselor from the college. Next Wednesday I have a meeting.
Oh, you have a meeting next Wednesday, right?
The casting. Yeah, I have a meeting next Wednesday though.
Yeah, fortunately I can't go live on Instagram. I need to get 1,000 now. Yeah, because Instagram changed the requirement now. That you had to get to 1,000.
I mean, that's
I don't like the rules there.
That's how they are.
Yeah, I know.
Can't do anything about it.
Now we got what you want, Rick. It's the weapons.
Yeah, the weapons was good.
Yeah, it was Ricky's idea. Next time, you two are going to be going to watch whatever that movie you guys are going to go watch.
The Black Phone 2.
The back phone too.
Black Phone 2. Yeah.
You guys enjoy it? Well, me and Luis, we're going to go somewhere cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to what?
We're going to go some other
They're
place
somewhere
here.
cool. You and I, we said we're gonna go together.
Yeah, we're going to, yeah,
You two are gonna go.
that's where they're going to go. Is that right, Luis? Yeah, you guys go. Have fun over there to see that black woman. While me and Luis will have fun going to some other different place.
Good. Man.
Now let's not feel a cheese steak. You like it?
I like it though.
Well, you need it. You're like a skinny boy.
Yeah, but like I said, don't judge. Okay. Well, you know I'm gonna get him Marvel.
And you said Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales.
Oh yeah.
You said it. That was funny. You said it. You said it how.
Hansen?
Yeah, you said how. You said it, you know, the funny way.
Oh, Morales. Yeah.
Yeah, you said it very funny or the funny way.
Yeah.
And then Luis is going to apply for Best Buy.
Yep.
acting. Well, this guy here is focused on acting class. And he got a small nose right there, Marv.
Well, not really.
You got any parties you're gonna go to, Marvin? Any parties you're gonna go to?
What?
Birthday parties this year?
Yeah, if there's some though, I'm gonna go to. Yeah, if I see some though, my family has one, I might go over there.
Yeah. So the only movie that Tony wants to see is Avatar. We'll take him there. And then they also in Applebee's they also have the Red Bull.
Oh yeah.
Ellie ain't gonna find. And she ain't gonna know about that because I'm a Red Bull now, a guy boy.
You remember the one you saw last week?
Yeah, it was good. But next time when we come back there, I'm gonna try that Mountain Dew that you and Tony.
Oh, the one, the blue one.
The one that you guys have. And that song, the Freakier Friday, it's stuck in my head.
Oh yeah.
That music.
Yep.
And then we're not gonna put our location in it because now they have some stalkers on Instagram.
Yeah, they are.
Like all their stalkers on Luis's Instagram. I help him out with his Instagram thing.
Yeah.
A lot of hackers.
And stalkers too, because you never know if it's a guy or a girl. You never know.
Yeah, because that movie, it ended around 12.
Yeah.
So that was a better time here. What you got, Rick?
Cookies.
Oh, cookies? Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, they also gave me one, too, also.
Yeah.
So up to you, want one.
Yeah, I'll take it. I'll give it to you. You want some more nectar? You guys want some more nectar?
I do.
Yeah, Ricky wants one.
Alright. Here you go, Rick. Grab some more. Yeah, like the lace. Yeah, I'll take it.
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. There's not that much people right here. We're the only customers right here.
Yeah. Well, I'm done. Oh, I got it.
Yeah, you want to use the bathroom?
Yeah, it's pretty open now. The last time I was here. Thank you. You done, Dan?
Actually, there's one for you right here.
What?
Sandwich.
I'll take it.
That's if your brothers want one.
I gotta put my name on it.
Yeah, it's not because sometimes Angel always eats your burrito. Remember that? That's
Oh,
yours.
yeah. Oh, you don't want it?
No, I'm good.
I'll take it.
I already have food now, so that's yours.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. I got a mark. I got a.
You got a Sharpie, right?
Yeah, I got a Sharpie. Yeah, Sharpie. Well, also, Cameron, it's just that last week he was asking me if he wants some fries, but remember the ones you gave me? So
Yeah.
yeah, I gave my brother.
Oh yeah, that was the
extra fries. Like, remember you don't like them?
lady gave us a lot.
Oh, you meant from last week?
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, that was.
Yeah, she gave us a lot here.
But luckily though, you know who I gave it to? I gave it to my brother. He was asking. I was asking him that. Hey, my friend gave you some fries though, and he said thank. Oh, he said thank you, by the way.
Who said it? Angel.
Angel.
Oh, the sneezy boy.
Yeah. This time he did wash his hands.
Oh, I give you some.
Yeah. So he has like exactly. So yeah, I'm doing okay.
This is where you know who got caught.
Oh, I know who. Thanks to this boy right here.
FD.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
FD. This is the place, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. When LF, that means Everybody, what's that stand for? What's LF stands for? Luis Figueroa. Because FD got his head hit.
Yeah. And busted right there.
Busted.
Busted for this boy. Good job for this boy.
We paid a visit here. We paid a visit to this place right here, near the gas station.
Yeah. Because we now know who got caught right here.
All the way across the Paris. It's going to start at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Damn.
The other ones are Eastern Standard Time.
True. That's true. Oh.
These sandwiches here, no offense, these sandwiches are more better than Chef's cooking.
Yup.
I don't know, Ricky, right? You like it? Like it more better than Jerry Cloud's cooking? Because he made us eat all these food under the floor. He got us sick here.
Really? On the floor? Really?
Yeah, Tony told me about that.
Oh, damn. What do you... Alright, tell me.
He got one of us sick here. He got one of us sick here because the food that that fell off in the floor is very dirty and there's a lot of bacteria.
So he made you guys eat it?
Yeah,
What the hell?
those are like most of the best. And then Jerry Cloud forced me and Louise to eat those kind of pizza. We were next door in the wheelchair room. We were in the other room and we had to make some pizzas. And Louise told me one time he didn't like those pizzas.
Yeah. So disgusting.
Yeah. So bad for you all.
Did you guys try those pizzas too, Rick?
Yeah.
Really disgusting?
Yeah. Disgusting.
Yeah, we had to end up eating those. And then me and Louise were in that room watching this
What is it?
Mind of its Chef here.
You have an egg and chicken? So
It was kind of boring that time.
So let me get this straight. So he made all of you guys eat that disgusting pizza,
Yeah.
and then he made you all watch that boring, what's it called? Was it movie or video?
It's a video of Mind of the Chef.
A video,
Yeah.
and then what happened after that?
He made us watch him cook those kind of food here.
What the hell?
Yeah, if you were in that class,
No.
you were lucky. You were
Yeah,
lucky.
I was. Yeah, because I was lucky that I wasn't there. But if I was, he would treat me as well with that. Like the way you were telling me right now. Like I'm not falling for that.
Louise would say to you, "You lucky son of a bitch."
Because you're looking.
Yeah, because I was
Because they were calling your name.
they were calling me.
Because
Yeah.
they're going to treat us like shit here, man. They also removed Rob from that class.
So let me get this straight. So they treat you guys all shit. Yeah, they do. Like,
Yeah, Ricky just came last. Then Luis left in 2017.
So the point is that you guys are telling me that they all treat you like garbage,
And all of us were forced to crack the egg.
like forced, like they were.
They made us crack the egg here. It's so easy to eat because I know how to make a scrambled eggs.
It's just like in pieces.
Yeah.
He made us eat those terrible food here, and then Jerry Cloud forced him to eat those chocolate when
What?
Luis had braces that time.
What?
You still have braces?
Yeah, I still had braces that time.
You can't, because if you have braces, eating those hard chocolate is gonna hurt your.
That's gonna break your braces, and you're gonna be bleeding.
Because there's some wires right there.
Yeah. So So he didn't care for any of you guys.
Nah, not really.
What the hell is he doing?
No,
I feel sorry for the both of you.
What do you think?
I feel bad for you too.
Marvin didn't go.
I
It
didn't-
was
wasn't
me and
It
Luis.
wasn't me. It was him. Man, I feel bad for you. Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I had to flip the chair when I was pissed off when Jerry Clark pissed me off. And I had to flip the chair and I had to defend Luis right
Okay,
here.
so yeah.
See?
Yeah. I feel bad
That's
for
what
you
friends
guys.
are for, man. You know, that's what friends are for.
Because
You
yeah.
flipped the chair, Daniel?
I was pissed off because Jerry Clark was treating me like shit here and I had to defend Luis.
Because okay, so what did you do to upset you?
He was forcing me to pay attention to what he's talking about and Luis was outside upset and I had to flip the chair. I was defending Luis here for a
Because
good
good thing
friend.
you're defending him because
For a good friend here because he was not treating us right here, so yeah.
I cannot believe what you just did. I feel bad for all of you. Like good thing you did the right thing by defending Luis because what if he didn't?
And he asked one of us if we're coming back to culinary arts, and I said nothing.
No.
I said myself, I'm not coming back there. I left that class from 2016 to 17. So then I went to a job site.
It's a good thing you left. Because
Yeah. Not just me. Tony left.
So all you guys left.
We left that class to go to that job site.
Because they yeah, ready?
Are you going to go to the bathroom?
I'll let him go first.
I'm ready to just go.
All right, we're gonna end the live, guys. Have a nice day. This is a random vlog here.
So have a nice day, everybody.
Peace out, y'all.
Yeah, peace out.
All right.